Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Jones.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to your heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on.
Heading back to the parking. Okay guys, we're almost done with the trail. We're here! Yes! We finished the trail! Nag-start tayo guys mga 2:30 and now it's 4:45, so almost 2 hours. More than 2 hours. So not bad. Try this trail guys. Heart Creek Trail here in Kananaskis County. Thank you very much guys for joining us on our trip today. I hope you like it.
My friend, sun goes down but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up breaking, but everything still works out in the end. No matter what they call it, no matter what they want it, they don't know there's no way they'll ever get it. Wind just blows back and keep on standing. We'll call it whatever that we want it. Don't you know there's no way they'll ever get it? Wind silly thing. It always ends up sneaking in. But with you it's like the summer.
Finally, we've reached our end destination. And up Upper Falls. Let's go down. Tataksan niyo yung falls, guys. Ayan, guys, that's the end part of the trail. Ayan yung falls. Ayun, yung falls somewhere there. Sarap. Very relaxing when you're close to nature. Guys, alam niyo ba kung bakit Troll Falls ang tawag dito? Ayun o. May trolls dyan. Troll Falls. Naniniwala ba kayo sa akin, guys? Ayaw niyo maniwala, ah. Oh, ayan pa, oh. Troll Falls. Actually, guys, the reason why tinawag siyang Troll Falls, yung dami mga trolls doon. Nakita natin kanina. Ito yung maraming punong ganito dito, oh, yan, oh. Parang buhok ng trolls. Yan ang reason. See? See? So, kung sino mo nakakaalam ang tawag sa punong ito, please comment down below. Thanks! Once again, guys, thank you very much for joining this trip. And if you like this, please don't forget to like, share, and leave me some comments. At huwag mo nang kalimutang i-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong video. This is Easy John saying God bless you all. Be kind and live your life to the fullest. Till our next trip.